Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you ready for a watch that matches your adventurous spirit and bustling professional life? Meet the Casio G-Shock Digital Black Dial Men's Watch, a rugged yet sophisticated timepiece designed to endure and impress. Whether you're conquering trails or rocking boardrooms, this watch seamlessly complements your bold lifestyle. The G-Shock is all about durability, featuring a shock-resistant structure that thrives in tough environments. Its 200-meter water resistance makes it the perfect partner for water sports, rainy commutes, or unpredictable adventures. Built from lightweight resin, it's designed to handle anything life throws at you. With its bold black dial and gold-accented gears, the G-Shock isn't just functional, it's a style statement. Its oversized buttons, checkered for anti-slip performance, and LED light ensure effortless usage, be it day or night. This watch fuses mechanical aesthetics with modern tech, adding flair to your wrist. This watch doesn't stop at telling time. Its versatile digital display offers features like a day, date, month calendar, stopwatch, and timer, ideal for professionals who need precision and multitasking capabilities. Whatever goals you're chasing, the G-Shock keeps you on track in style. Boasting a stellar 4.5-star rating from over 600 reviews, the G-Shock is a crowd favorite. Users praise its toughness, standout design, and comfortable fit. While some mention a slightly dim display, the watch's stellar durability and performance overshadow minor critiques. Dare to take on the world with a timepiece as driven as you are. Own the Casio G-Shock today and elevate your everyday adventures. Click the link in the description below to explore further and make it yours now. Your next journey awaits.